Welcome to the Content Hacking Show.
When are surveys in market research misleading?
Yeah, when they're misleading is when you research your audience and you come back with you have a range of responses from the survey, and you see that maybe 50% of your audience said they have one common problem. This is where it can be misleading. I've seen this happen many, many times. It's like you look at the survey results and you say, oh, 50% of our audience said they have problem X. So therefore we need to produce a product or craft content, etc., around problem X. Not necessarily true. This is where it can be misleading. And I tell you what is a much, much better way to use surveys. You are looking for survey results where you have 1, 2, even 3 instances. That's fine, but you can get away with even 1, where the survey response, where the respondent is pouring their heart and soul into the answer. You're looking for depth and breadth. You're looking for emotion. You're looking for the one-page response where others are responding with 1 or 2 sentences. That is the best way to use surveys. You're looking for at least 1 instance where a particular person has poured their heart and soul into the answer. That's where your potential gold can be. My strongest recommendation is to look out for those responses and not just what responses do people most commonly reply to or select.
Welcome to the Content Hacking Show.